I'm Dr. Lew Schon, orthopedic surgeon, a specialist in foot and ankle reconstruction. I am the Director of Orthopedic Innovation at Mercy Medical Center, and I am a co-inventor of multiple orthopedic devices, one in particular, an artificial ankle. Since I started practice over 32 years ago, I was confronted with patients seeking those unique solutions when perhaps none had been presented to them or none could be performed for them. One of the most rewarding parts of my work is to take a patient who is having pain and who is not able to participate in life the way they need to and bring them to a better level of function and comfort so that they can be re-engaged with their activities that make their life meaningful.